How to change the language on Monday.com. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Log into your Monday.com account and navigate to your profile by clicking on your avatar in the bottom left corner. 2. Select Admin or Settings from the drop-down menu, depending on your user permissions. 3. Look for the Language and Region option in the Settings menu. This section allows you to modify your preferred language. Click on the current language and select your desired language from the available options in the drop-down list. 5. Once selected, Monday.com will prompt you to confirm the change. Click Save or Apply to update the settings. 6. Refresh the page or log out and back in to ensure the changes take effect across your entire interface. 7. Review your workspace to confirm that all menus, labels, and system messages now appear in the chosen language. If needed, you can switch back at any time.